Hey, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. Today, baby, we are going to be following a tutorial from none other than the beautiful, the talented Mamadoesnailz. Today, I'll be using goodies from Madam Glam. This is Lily Scent, which is a stunning lilac from the Easter box collection. And I'm going to be using the black gel paint and the white gel paint. Now, I did pull that texture gel by accident, but you'll see later on, I show you the true goodies I'm working with. So this is a tutorial from Mamadoesnailz, my sister, my charm sister, my family. Now, she first learned this technique from Paulina Zdrada, I believe, if I'm saying correct. So I'll be leaving links for both tutorials of Mamadoesnailz and Paulina. They both slay this woven technique, and I thought, what better way to test out Nicole J's beautiful brushes than the intricacies of this line work, y'all. So as you saw, I got out my white and black gel paint alongside Lily Scent, and as well the base coat and a velvet matte. I made sure I loaded up on all the goodies so I could do this with as, effortless as possible. Now, this is the first time I've ever tried this design, so this is going to be, first of all, I really went off the deep end trying this for the very first time. But luckily, the tutorial that Mama did was so detailed that it truly helped me. And also, I watched Paulina's, which her shading game is out of control. This lady's a genius, so I learned a lot, and I thought, with these gorgeous brushes, this would be the perfect way to test them out, to see how thick and thin I could get my lines. And more than anything, I wanted to choose a design that was heavy on the line work. And when I saw Mama do this, I was blown away. Mama has a talent. I gotta say, baby, it literally God broke the mold with this woman. But I just say it's a talent like no other, and I learned so much from her. And I just had to, the moment I got these brushes, her tutorial popped in my head, and I was like, you know what? I gotta do a nail it or fail it situation and just watch this tutorial and go. So as you saw, I had that tablet. I literally put it in the corner, and I'm just looking back and forth from the tablet as Mama works, and I'm gonna try this design. So this is gonna be a watch me work, more like a watch me practice. And let's get into all of the magic. And remember, there's going to be sister codes, so you can save 30% off on any of these Madam Glam goodies. And as well, the brushes will be in the description box below. So let's get into it.
I'm on a proper thing, I rock that fresh kicks. Man, I sure stop packing fresh, I done fresh, yes. I'm on a proper thing, I rock the style that all the girls want and all the boys like. I just do me, I just do me, I just do me, I only do me. I just do me, I just do me, I just do me, I only do me. I wear my hat real low, a little smile and show. Fresh kicks, one kiss to the mirror, I'm looking real pretty, let's roll. I wear my hat real low, a little smile and show. Fresh kicks, one kiss to the mirror, you know I'm looking pretty, let's roll. Yo, I'm on some next thing, you cannot touch me. It's for the best, you just learn to love me. I'm on some next thing, I got the style that all the girls want and all the boys like. I just do me, I just do me, I just do me, I only do me. I just do me, I just do me, I just do me, I only do me. I wear my hat real low, a little smile and show. Fresh kicks, one kiss to the mirror, I'm looking real pretty, let's roll. I wear my hat real low, a little smile and show. Fresh kicks, one kiss to the mirror, you know I'm looking pretty, let's roll. Yo, from when I get in the shower to when I step into the nightclub, wear my hat real low, a little smile and show. Fresh kicks, one kiss to the mirror, I'm looking real pretty, let's roll. I wear my hat real low, a little smile and show. Fresh kicks, one kiss to the mirror, you know I'm looking pretty, let's roll. Yeah, I wear my hat real low, a little smile and show. Fresh kicks, one kiss to the mirror, I'm looking real pretty, let's roll. I wear my hat real low, a little smile and show. Fresh kicks, one kiss to the mirror, you know I'm looking pretty, let's roll.
I know you're a superstar, a supernova shining, you can see from super far. And they ain't ready, know you're about to hit the throttle on them. Won't see it coming, you gon' come through like a supercar. Tell me what it feel like to have no fear at all and do it here in real life. Real time right now, all day long. I know it's special and I know you know it feels right. You're the reason it will last forever. You're the starter staring back up in the mirror. Cause it's special when you stand out from the rest. When you know that you're the best. I know you're unstoppable. I know you woke up feeling nothing is impossible. You got the key, I know you know the door's unlockable. Ain't nothing standing in your way, there ain't no obstacle. I know you're the chosen one. Numbers don't matter when you know that you're the only one. Time don't matter, you can do it all day long. I know you about to show the world just where you coming from. You're the reason it will last forever. You're the starter staring back up in the mirror. Cause it's special when you stand out from the rest. When you know that you're the reason it will last forever. You're the starter staring back up in the mirror. Cause it's special when you stand out from the rest. When you know that you're the best.
Come on, let your guard down. You haven't let me in so long. Go and lay your cards out. I need to know what's going on. I'm down on my knees, begging you to give it a chance. Oh, say what you mean. I'm tired of the same old dance. Oh, please love, I need love. I'm running round in circles for you. Oh, please love, I need love. You gotta give me something, I'm tired of getting nothing. Yeah, I'm craving your touch. Is it asking too much to watch it to want me tonight? So please love, I need love. I'm running round in circles for you. I'm going out of my mind, trying to get through to you. It's like I speak a different language. I don't know what else I can do. I'm down on my knees, begging you to give it a chance. Oh, say what you mean. I'm tired of the same old dance. Oh, please love, I need love. I'm running round in circles for you. Oh, please love, I need love. You gotta give me something, I'm tired please love, I need love. I'm running around in circles for you. Please love, I need love. You gotta give me something, I'm tired of getting nothing. Yeah, I'm craving your touch. Is there asking too much? Don't want you to want me tonight. So please love, I need love. I'm running around in circles for you.
Do you want all my love? Can you taste what you found? We will weld to the ground. Praxitelli sculpted me. This is space. This is
As you know, I am madly in love with Madam Glam's products, their paints, their gels. It makes creating art so effortless. But you need a good brush. And holy, like, I just gotta say, Nicole, I am so blown away. I thought I would do this tutorial to put these to the test. Well, they understood the assignment. Nicole, these brushes are phenomenal. I urge anybody that is a nail artist, nail enthusiast, run over to Nails by Nicole J LLC.com and get yourself some of these brushes, or the entire darn collection if you can, because these are phenomenal. Honestly, this design intimidated me so much, and I just thought, let's dive in. I'll be able to really test out the line work, see how thin I can get the lines, how thick, and whew, I am blown away. These are definitely some of the favorite brushes I have ever tried. Definitely my Madam Glam tools and my Nails by Nicole J brushes. They are my ultimate, and I'm going to be reaching for them every single time. So make sure all of the information will be in the description box below. If you are a nail artist, nail enthusiast, you got to get yourself a nail. I can't even speak. A Nails by Nicole J collection brush. You will not regret it. And for any of the Madam Glam goodies you saw, you can run over to www.madamglam.com, and you can use any of the codes that I presented in the video or in the description box below for 30% off. Thank you so much for watching, for spending a part of your day with me. Charm Squad, you are my family, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Remember, do all things with love. Mwah.